to this edition of our Nitrous segment of Drill Podcast. We're here with Chad doing from Rip City Drive.
That's right.
Is that the best way to explain that?
Yeah, Rip City Radio 620, the Rip City Drive, and I'm excited to be here. I think this will be a lot of fun. My body, as I've always said, is a sacrifice for whatever makes great radio. In this case, a great podcast.
Okay, we are doing a cleaning on you today, but the first thing we're going to do is strap on some nitrous oxide to get you on the happy gas.
Nice.
We get you nice and gone, and then it'll look like him, but it's actually going to be me.
I want each and every one of you performing parts of the
You've got a high tidal volume.
Tidal volume is how many liters of air your lungs take in.
I want to be known as someone with a good tidal volume.
Right.
On a scale from 1 to deafening, how loud was that leg break by Nurkic? Nurkic? How do I say the last name?
Nurkic. I gotta be honest with you guys, I love using Nurkic. How much I love that man.
Okay.
So it was the worst moment I've ever experienced at the Moda Center. Seeing him go.
Because you know him personally.
Yeah, and I care about him.
Oh.
He's a great player.
He is a great player.
And he got carried out here. It was devastating to see him go down. Yeah. I feel like by being on Nitrous that I can be like what's they call it, the ESP. Where you can get into someone's thoughts.
Yeah.
I wish I could get into his thoughts.
Like you could transfer this vicariously
yes.
to him.
So he can feel how much I love him.
Right.
Yes.
Nitrous oxide does have, as an official side effect, it's listed as a potential aphrodisiac. Chad, you got to promise me one thing, that you don't fall in love with me.
Even when you're putting your tools in my mouth, I cannot fall in love with you.
Even with my tools in your mouth.
Okay.
You cannot fall in love with me. I'm sorry.
That's important.
Sorry.
Is that a gold tooth?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
That's my street cred right there.
Yeah.
In the streets of Salmon Creek, I got the cred with the gold teeth.
Yeah, but you wanted to be low key, so you put it in the back, so it wouldn't look like a grill.
Grill's a funny word.
Have you ever seen any inner mouth tattoos, Brady?
Okay. Yes. Always on the lower lip.
Always on the inside.
Sometimes they
And it was a girl.
Sometimes they don't
And it
last.
said slut.
Yeah. However, think about the message, if you're out of anybody that's gonna see this.
Communicate to your dentist.
Exactly, that's what I'm getting at.
You think she was attracted to me?
She's
And that's why she did it?
She's trying to tell you, I want you. You think if I got a tat of Nurk on my inner lip, that he would like that? Nurkic. We were talking about the music that might have been playing when I was conceived the other day.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. What is it?
We think it might be Neil Sedaka.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you sing me a Neil Sedaka song?
Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love.
Okay. Did you always have a favorite animal growing up?
Eagles, but the bald eagle's beautiful, but they're not really an animal. They're kind of like a bird.
Well, they're an animal. They're an animal.
They soar and they're beautiful, and And I also found out that bald eagles won't eat my dog because I have a dachshund, and I was. The other day I was outside, I looked up and I saw this bald eagle flying around. I was like, whoa. And then I got worried about my little miniature dachshund because I'm like, well, what if he tried to eat Puppy Schatz?
You covered him like a live grenade.
Yeah. No, I did. So I went to Rabbi Google and I looked up Rabbi Google. I was like, would a bald eagle eat my dog? And the Rabbi Google said that while he would definitely be big enough to fly off with the Puppy Schatz. Their normal profile for what they like for food is not like a dog. So I shouldn't have to worry about him taking Puppy Schatz.
So Puppy Schatz is
Schatz is my dog.
Schatz treasure. That means treasure.
Yeah, how did you know that?
In German, auf Deutsch.
It does?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
Because I lived there. I lived in Germany for
This guy knows what my dog, my means. How can I, Puppy Schatz is not very smart, he's a dog,
right.
But how can I love something I didn't think it was possible? night. He made me upset though because at a Blazer game the other night we had a nerd card signing, and this lady brought me a plaid stuffed Puppy Schatz, and she goes, "I know you love Puppy Schatz. I brought you this because I thought you like it. It's Blazer colors, the plaid, like old school Blazer colors." So, but Puppy Schatz was trying to like he was trying to make love to it last night, and he was trying to bite off. I'm telling you this, but I don't understand why he can't tell that it's not a dog and it's just a stuffed Puppy Schatz.
I know why you're telling me this. Yeah. Because it's a beautiful story.
That's actually a really great story.
Yeah. And I love that you refer to your dog as a first name Puppy, last name is first name.
Yeah, Puppy Schatz.
Puppy Schatz.
Yeah, I was gonna ask him about. I was like, he's very
like a
disappointed
title.
about saying Puppy Schatz the entire time.
It's like a title, like Dr. Smith.
Yeah,
like Puppy Schatz.
Yo, Puppy Schatz will see you in a moment, sir.
Yeah.
Dr. Smith thinks you need a crown. That's kind of a good idea. His intern. Dr. Smith needs the money.
Like, if you're afraid of going to the dentist, I would encourage you to get Nitrous because, like, when you were working on my teeth, like, that normally would make me very, like, anxious.
Yeah.
But
uncomfortable,
but
Sure.
not right now. Like,
You're
like,
good.
You're like, open up. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Get in there.
We're talking
I'm
about
at
Puppy
total
Schatz.
peace, and I love talking about Puppy Schatz. Puppy Schatz. And I think both of you, because not only have you gave me Nitrous to make me relax while he had his tools in my mouth, but you've also talked about things that make me very happy. Nurkic and Puppy Schatz.
Yeah.
Nurkic, Puppy Schatz.
That's what Dr. Smith wants for you. Dr. Smith wants for you to have this kind of euphoric experience. Dr. Smith hopes the best for you in the future. How was that? Is that everything you dreamed of and more?
Yes, because it's like the whole time, the best part is because of the Nitrous, like you were working on my teeth, I didn't even think about it.
Yeah.
I was like, I got to think about Nurkic and Puppy Schatz.
Yeah. Now the mask has been off for a minute.
Yes.
How back to normal do you feel right now?
I'm starting to come back to normal, but I still feel
Still feel a little jazzed up.
yeah, a little jazzed up, comfortable.
Yeah.
Numb.
Yeah.
Numb.
Perfect. Awesome.
Like
Well,
that kind of not to be inappropriate, but like you feel like like after
Say it.
after orgasm, you know,
Okay.
when you're just lying there in the bed. and
we
you're
were
both
all
trying to-
thinking it.
Yeah.
And you're both trying to absorb what just happened there. And it's like,
So if what you're saying is basically having your dentistry done by me was like having an orgasm.
Yeah.
I've heard that 1,000 times.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It's one of the most commonly things that people post on Yelp reviews, right?
Really?
Never. I wish.
One.
Chad, would you please post a Yelp review that says
Yes. It's like
it was like having an orgasm?
yes, it was
But a very safe, very safe
And
one.
he practiced safe or
Oral. He practiced safe oral.
Yeah, it's true. Yes. Well, we want to thank Chad Dewing for
Thank
being
you,
on the
guys.
program. Thank you so much.
thank you.
And tune in to the podcast, Drilled Podcast, to hear us talk to Chad for a little bit longer.
Yep.
Adios.
Yep.
I'd like to meet Puppy Schatz someday.